Article of literature. Dear. Dear. 99999. Thus. Now you will say D. Thus. Thus. Sure, okay, batao. Dear, D and thus. I'll deduct your -1 now. Yeah, thus. 9999. D. U R D. D. U R is at the end. D. Sure. D. Sure. D. D. Absolutely right. D, in which the UR is the ending, so article will be D. Hello, good morning. Today is my favorite video of Dear D the shortcut tricks, because now I really don't want any confusion. Sheila and Leela had many. Now let's start the video without wasting time. Fangen wir an. The shortcut tricks of memorizing the articles. Now these tricks will really help you a lot, because they really helped me a lot while writing the examinations and preparing for German exams. So please have a notebook with you and note down these tricks. Now let's start the video. Tricks for the masculine gender. The nouns that end with these endings, that are ANT, AST, ICH, ISMUS, LING, US, EN, SEL, IG and ER fall under the category of masculine nouns. Now specifically I want to tell you that the nouns means the name, place, animal, thing. In the last video I told you that. So not every word that ends with, but the nouns that end with these endings will have the article der, because जो articles होते हैं वो हमारे nouns के आगे ही रखते हैं. Now for example, zum Beispiel, der Elefant. Der Elephant is the elephant. Der Gast is the guest. Der Garten is the garden. Der Schlüssel is the key. Der Schüler is the school student. And what do we say to the university student? Der Student. So, der Honig is the honey. Der Teppich is the carpet. Der Schmetterling is the beautiful butterfly. Der Magnetismus is the magnetism, that is the phenomena of the attraction between the magnets. Now let's move to the number second. Now USW means und so weiter, etc. Right? You can also see many examples. Now let's move to number 2. Seasons, months, days, point of compass, male persons and most male animals also fall into the category of masculine nouns. So let's start with first is talk about most male animals, because mostly male animals के जो gender होता है that is masculine. Like for example, der Hund, that is the dog. Der Papagei, that is the parrot. So it's not Papagei, it's Papagai. So der bear is the bear, right? And now let's talk about the male persons. So the male persons are, like for example, in our family, Dadaji, Nanaji, Papa, Bhaiya, Chacha, all these persons. इनका article भी der होता है. Now you would be thinking that it's obvious. No, it's not obvious actually in German. So पापा को क्या बोलते हैं? Der Bruder. Der Bruder. That is Bhaiya. And Papa ko der Vater. Now let's move ahead with the months and days. So months and days, मैंने अपने previous lessons में भी बताया था that they both are considered as masculine. That means जो हमारे 12 months है, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, और days Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag, ये सब के सब डेयर में ही कंसिडर किए जाएंगे. अब आप सोचोगे कि सीजन्स और पॉइंट ऑफ कंपास को क्या बोलते हैं. So now let's move to the next slide in which I have explained you that too. Now the Jahreszeiten, that is the seasons. अब 4 seasons हैं. Der Sommer, that is the summer. Der Herbst is the autumn. Der Winter is the winter. Und der Frühling is the spring. Now चीज़ याद रखना कि नाउन हमेशा कैपिटल होता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई जोमर, हेर्ब्स्ट सबका फर्स्ट वर्ड इज ऑलवेज कैपिटल. नाउ पुंटर दस कंपास, दैट इज पॉइंट ऑफ कंपास. नाउ जब आप किसी को डायरेक्शंस बताते हो तो आप बताते हो नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, साउथ, राइट. सेम वे नॉर्थ को हम बोलते हैं डेयर नॉर्डन, वेस्ट को डेयर वेस्टर्न, ईस्ट को डेयर ओस्टन, और साउथ को डेयर ज़्यूडन. Now let's move ahead with the feminine gender. for feminine gender. Now, the first point is that the nouns that end with ion, anz, enz, ie, ure, and in fall under the category of feminine gender. So, for example, die Information, that is the information, Information. Die Vorname, you must be seeing the endings, die Vorname, that is the first name. Die Galaxie is the galaxy. Die Temperatur is the temperature. Die Lizenz is the license you get once you are 18. Die Toleranz is the tolerance. And die Ingenieurin, that is the engineer. Now, how I would know कि ये Ingenieurin female है? Because in is there at the end. In the last lesson also I told you कि अगर मुझे बोलना है I am a teacher, सामने वाले को कैसे पता चलेगा मेल टीचर या फीमेल टीचर? So first is you can say Lehrerin, in at the end. So for example, अगर कहीं लिखा है Ärztin, that means female doctor because it's in at the end. Now, let's move to the second point. Nouns ending with height, kite, sight, tate, Schaft, ei are counted in the feminine gender. So, for example, die Pünktlichkeit, that is the punctuality. So, Germans are very punctual. Die Schönheit, that is the beauty. For example, Kashmir is die Schönheit von Indien. Kashmir is the beauty of India. Now, die Zeit is the time. Die Übung is the exercise which I always give you. Die Gesellschaft is the society, Samaj, जो हमसे बनता है. Die Metzgerei is the meat shop. Die Freundschaft is the friendship, like Deutsche Freundschaft, German friendship. And und so weiter. USW means und so weiter, etc. Now, let's move to the neuter gender. The tricks for the neuter gender. So, generally the nouns that end with CHEN, TEL, UM, MENT, ICHT, CH and LEIN fall under the list of neuter nouns. So, for example, das Kaninchen, that is the rabbit. Das Mädchen is the girl. Now you'll be asking कि Mädchen तो D होना चाहिए because it's a girl, feminine. So because CHEN is at the end, so that is why das Mädchen. Now, das Gesicht is the face. Das Gesicht. You can also take an example of das Gewicht, which is the weight. Das Gewicht. That is the weight. Now, das Gespräch is the conversation. Das Medikament is the medicine. And das Vöglein is the little bird. So, what do we say to the bird? We say der Vogel. Der Vogel. That is the bird, and das Vöglein is the little bird. And und so weiter is etc. Now, herzlichen Dank. So this was the end of our video. I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, there is a homework for you. Write minimum 10 nouns having these tricks in mind. Der, die, das, masculine, feminine, neutral. Each 10 nouns. Also, if in case you get any doubts, you can always ask me on my Instagram handle. That is there, on my Facebook page, that is also there, and in the comment section below as well. So for today, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao. Ciao.